Hello, in this video we are going to talk about 7 ways we can spell the sound sh. Let's set the ball rolling. Wow, I'm running low battery. Okay, let's see. So we are going to learn how to spell SH sound. We're going to spell this sound, SH sound, in 7 ways. Let me write it again. SH sound. So how to spell this SH sound? Sh, sh. How we can spell this in 7 ways. Let's look at the first way. The first way is in the word shirt. Now when you see shirt, we can see the word SH inside. So this is the first way that we can spell the word shirt. Shirt. In the word shirt, we have SH sound. So this is number 1. So number 1 is SH. So this sound this long S sound, snake-like sound, we can spell with SH. I said 7 ways. So number 1 is SH. Let's look at number 2. In the word shirt. In number 2, we can spell this sound in the word sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. 2-syllable word. So if you look at word sugar, the word S. Number 1 is SH, this sound. Number 2 is S. So let me write it on the top. Sh. S is equal to SH and it's equal to S. So the letter S can pronounce the SH sound, sh, as in sugar, sugar. Let's go to the second one. Let's go to the third one rather, sorry. So our snake-like sound, sh, we can spell it in SH, number 1. Number 2, we can spell with S. Number 3, we have a word shoot. 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 C-H-U-T. Shoot. 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 So last in parachute. 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 So this is shoot. C-H-U-T-E. Shoot. This is a silence E. Silence E. And that's why this one is U, not A. Silence E. So this will change the sound A to U or U. U. Shoot. U. Shoot. So parachute. Parachute. So you shoot. So we have the letter CH. Number 1, the sound sh, we can represent with SH. Number 2, we can represent with just S. Number 3, we can represent it with CH. Let's take our number 4. Number 4. This sound, ha. This sound, sh. This sound, sh, can be represented with SH, S, CH, and number 4. What else? We have a word action. 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 If you look at the word action, the TI spell the sh sound. So we can represent sh sound with TI. We can represent with TI. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can use many letters to spell the word sh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to number 5. Number 5. The word in the word like sh sound. We said number 1 we can represent with sh. Number 2 s. Number 3 is ch. Number 4 ti. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, how do we represent this? We can represent in the word issue. 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 So if you look at issue, you realize that the double S here made the sh sound. Shoe. Issue. 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 So the SS can also make the sound sh. So this is sh. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 more to go. Let's take the last 2. The next one is in the word ocean. Ocean. If you look at the word ocean, the CE in the middle can spell the word sh. Because of our time, let's take the last one that we can end it there. Our last one we're going to look at, we'll continue this lesson. Actually, we wanted to do up to 11, but we're taking 7 today. We'll take the rest another time. So we're going to have a word like conscience. Conscious. So we have a word like conscious. So if you look at conscious, the letter SCI, these 3 letters, 1, 2, 3. These 3 letters can make the sh sound or sh sound. So we can have this one making the same sound. So in all, we've got 7 sounds that can be represented with the SH sound or the sh sound. Let's go over one more time, then we can end our review. Number 1, we said in the word SH. Number 2, we said in the word S as in sugar. Number 3, we said in the word CH as in shoot. Number 4, we said in the word action as in TI. Number 5, we said in the word ocean as in CE. Number 6, we said in the word issue as in SS. And number 7, in the word ocean, in the word conscious as in SCI. So these are how we can represent the sound sh. Number 1 is CSH, sh. Number 2 is S, sh, as in sugar. Number 3 is CH, as in shoot. Number 4 is action, TI. Number 5 is ocean, CE. Number 6 is issue. Number 7 is conscious, as in SCI. So all these 7 sound that you see can be represented with the sound shh. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and hope to see you again. Goodbye.